on Talk 100.3.
So finals में कौन होने वाला है?
Well, by the looks of it, it looks like it's England and Italy.
ओहो एंड
किसी ने कहा इंग्लैंड और स्पेन यहाँ पे.
जी इंग्लैंड स्पेन का शायद मैच की बात कर रहे थे, लेकिन आप होम विल यू गो विद विजय?
Now that France is out.
Looks like it's England's cup to actually lose it now.
अच्छा lose.
लूज इट नाउ. नाम तो ऐसे लिया कि लेके वो जाएंगे. खैर यहाँ यूएई में बहुत ज्यादा सपोर्ट है. इंटरेस्टिंगली जब ये हफ्ता स्टार्ट हुआ तो मैं विवेक को बता रही थी, कैन यू इमेजिन कि रोम में वहाँ स्टेडियम में इंग्लैंड से लोग इतने ज्यादा नहीं थे जितने यूएई से थे.
Absolutely, and that's always the case. So here, especially in summers, people love to travel over there.
मुझे ऐसे आपकी मुस्कुराहट से लग रहा है कि ये काश वाली स्माइल है कि काश मैं भी वहीं होता.
This is absolutely that. मतलब I've been dying to travel also, but
yes, लेकिन बाकी सारी चीज़ें ट्रैवल कर रही हैं जिसमें खबरें भी हैं और ये वेरिएंट्स भी हैं जो बगैर किसी वीज़े के, किसी रिस्ट्रिक्शन के एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री जंप लगा रहे हैं. और आजकल जो हेडलाइंस हैं हर जगह यही सुनने को मिल रहा है और वो है इन्फ्लेशन. विजय,
it's a very scary situation with the inflation numbers coming in. So the idea is that Fed actually wanted for the last 10 odd years कि at least 2% inflation तक US economy आ जाए. But the US economy right now is at 5%.
Okay.
That number is so scary because being a kind of a smaller country, an emerging economy as compared to the US, the UAE might see inflation levels to even 20% this year.
अच्छा.
So that's a very, very scary sign for all of us over here.
और जो डिडक्शंस हुए हैं यहाँ पे जिस तरह के,
वो तो इंक्रीमेंट शायद मुश्किल ही होंगे.
so how do we cover it as
So there are many ways to actually cover it. One is in investing. So you have to invest in a lot of inflationary tools.
अच्छा.
There's something called TIPS, which is the treasuries, which is inflation protected. उसमें invest करना चाहिए. Plus inflation is always related to commodities. So commodities में when it comes to copper, when it comes to gold, when it comes to oil, invest in these kind of instruments. And सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी, most important of all, is reduce your spending by yourself. मतलब that is something which is so
Common
overlooked.
sense.
But it's so overlooked. Everybody forgets that, and that is one of the major things that people have to start doing right now.
Correct.
Vijay, when it comes to inflation, these experts, these pundits, these economists, can they predict more or less कि ये कितनी देर तक रहने वाला है, कब तक हमें attentive और on our toes रहना चाहिए?
So the most difficult part right now is that the experts are divided.
Oh.
There are a lot of experts who actually, the Fed are saying that this inflation is just transitory because of what we saw in the pandemic last year. But a lot of people actually believe that this inflation is here to stay. And inflation का अगर देखा जाए in the historical measure of it, it has always been sticky. So inflation once comes in, it stays. I mean, in my entire life, and I'm sure all of your lives, you've never seen prices go down.
बराबर.
So
कभी नहीं कम हुआ है.
एक बार चीज महंगी हो गई तो महंगी रहती है.
Exactly.
And then competitors and in fact सारे establishment, they struggle a lot to attract customers as well.
Absolutely. I mean, आज के time पे, even if you just look at regular prices, grocery bills have gone up for everybody by more than 20%.
Correct. Petrol
prices have gone up.
Yes.
Unbelievable. मेरा आजकल full tank 150 में होता है.
हाँ, जो पहले होता था.
पहले it was at around 9500 last year.
आप पुरानी बात कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, मैं भी अभी भरा रहा हूँ ना. जो 90 में होता था अब 110 हो रहा है.
हाँ, so
yeah.
आप फिर भी फायदे में.
So just in 1 year we are
20 dirhams
seeing
is a lot.
हाँ,
Yeah.
so in 1 year we are seeing a lot. And उसके बाद of course we know that schools here are already expensive, are getting even more expensive. So education is definitely a big expense.
तो आप फिर इस साल स्कूल मत जाएं विजय.
Absolutely. So what we are seeing is कि especially when it comes to education, कि आजकल people, if you have 2 or 3 kids, your education cost is more than your rental cost. So that is a
Well said.
that's a very scary sign for people.
And I think companies also ये जो perks देते हैं of कि 2 बच्चे 3 बच्चे जो education cost है, I think they are reducing that as well.
Absolutely. All companies have reduced the expenses per child, and उसके बाद भी schools are not reducing their charges. Schools are increasing their charges.
So how do we cope up with all this? Is of course you can't be कि अपने boss को आप बोलो कि salary बढ़ा. That is not a solution.
अब
I
ऐसे
mean,
बोल सकते हैं. कोई ऐसी
बोलना
वो
तो
नहीं.
चाहिए, definitely. I hope my boss is listening. But
Again, long-term solution is what we're looking for.
the long-term solution is investing. And Dubai के लिए, UAE के लिए, overall I feel कि education is a sector where the government has not brought in a lot of subsidies.
हाँ.
So most of the developed countries usually have a lot of public schools to private schools ratio, जो यहाँ पे नहीं है, and I'm sure the government is doing active measures to actually solve that problem.
Correct. अब OPEC plus meeting and oil industry and what are we looking at? Right now?
So OPEC Plus में UAE has had a very clear stance that they're not going to continue with the reduced output, which basically means के oil के supply बढ़ती
ज़्यादा हो
जाएगी.
जाएगा. Yes.
And that should mean some downward pressure on oil. Luckily for us, at least full tank अभी थोड़ा कम महंगे में होगा.
बस यही फायदा है, लेकिन
Which-
ओवरऑल तो
Which also means कि ये जो production of course of petroleum products जो use होते हैं and उसके prices भी कम हो जाएंगे
Absolutely.
industrial level पे.
Absolutely. So all the byproducts of petroleum also become a little cheaper. Jet fuel becomes a little cheaper, which is by far the biggest expense.
Correct.
Ticket prices, though, I cannot say will be reduced because travel is so restricted now anyways, so it's more run by demand and supply rather than the jet fuel prices anymore.
करेक्ट. आपके पास भी कोई सवाल है तो आप हमें व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं. वी हैव बीन गेटिंग क्वेश्चंस. आई थिंक 0586861003 इज अ नंबर एंड मैसेज आया है. ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग मिस्टर विजय, इट इज लवली टू हैव यू एंड इट इज नाइस टू हियर योर वॉइस.
ओहो, दैट्स नाइस विजय. अब आपने और भी जमकर जो है लोगों को एडवाइस देनी है. नाउ बड़े मिक्स सेंटिमेंट्स भी होते हैं. जब इन्फ्लेशन हो तो लोग ज़रा डरते भी हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह यू इनकरेज देम कि इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. सो इट्स नॉट दैट कि यू हैव टू बी ऑब्जर्वेंट बट नॉट स्टॉपिंग व्हेन इट कम्स टू ट्राइंग योर लक इन इन्वेस्टमेंट और ट्राइंग दैट साइड.
So absolutely, inflationary time पे क्या होता है, you have to just be a little more careful. With your investments also, you have to be on the conservative side rather than the aggressive side, because you cannot afford to lose any more money with that you're already investing in the markets. So you have to be a little bit more on the conservative side, and उसके साथ साथ savings are very very important. Inflation के साथ what we have seen historically is also के it leads to a big recession in the future. So that kind of a scenario comes in and people are jobless, so that savings is the most important thing.
एंड हाँ,
प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
तो वैक्सीन्स जो यूएई को मिल रहे हैं, वर्ल्ड्स नंबर 1 कंट्री हो गया in terms of
Absolutely.
15.5 million doses. So this builds a lot of confidence for investors and for everyone living here.
Absolutely. Dubai has, UAE overall has had the highest amount of vaccinations. In fact, as a common man in the country, I know how easily I got vaccinations. Everyone over here has walk-in ease of access. India mein it was
Absolutely.
difficult. I know that.
10
I know
minutes, Vijay.
10 minutes,
नहीं,
yeah,
नहीं,
in and out.
मुझे टाइम
in
लगा
and
यार,
out.
ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब मुझे टाइम लगा.
अच्छा.
आपने टाइम फॉलो नहीं किया होगा ना,
मैंने
इसलिए.
टाइम फॉलो किया.
But most people I know, the vaccination process is so simple. It's free of cost, and you actually have an option of which vaccination you want. So vaccination में UAE has done an amazing job, and that I think is hats off to them.
करेक्ट. और इसीलिए investors are more confident in investing here.
Absolutely, investors also, and a lot of people will want to migrate also to a country which has handled the pandemic so well.
Correct.
यहाँ पे not just the vaccinations, but the hospital facilities have been amazing. DHA has been right up there in trying to help everybody out. The hospital bills are not climbing like unbelievable numbers. So that is a very, very good sign. Encourages a lot of HNIs to shift base to Dubai again.
वाओ, HNIs की बात करें तो यार हाई नेटवर्थ इंडिविजुअल्स आई वांट टू मीट एक बार कभी ना कभी हाई नेटवर्थ इंडिविजुअल्स. पता नहीं चलता ना चेहरे से.
I don't think so.
विजय, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग, यू मस्ट बी
बात
मीटिंग सो
करके.
मेनी ऑफ देम.
तो यूजुअली गाड़ियों से पता चलता है.
या घड़ियों से.
घड़ियों से, yes.
घड़ी पहनी है आपने, दिखाया?
No, I'm wearing a smartwatch.
No, he's wearing a I am vaccinated band, I guess.
That's
No.
a boomer band.
Oh yes, Boomer Band. That is something, another very interesting concept. We are very close to our BBC Sport update. लेकिन जल्दी से आपको बताएंगे कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट से रिलेटेड. आपके जहन में सवाल हो, आपने इन्वेस्ट कर दिया है, आप जानना चाहते हैं, विजय इसीलिए यहाँ पर हैं. एंड अच्छा लगता है कि आप भी अब उन्हें वेलकम कर रहे हैं. आपको भी उनकी आदत सी हो गई है. डू रीच अस ऑन 0586861003. दैट्स आवर व्हाट्सएप नंबर, जिससे आप विजय से जुड़ सकते हैं. राइट हियर ऑन टॉक ब्रेकफास्ट ऑन टॉक 100.3 विद विजय वलेचा from Century Financial, and of course your very own Vivek Sanil and Sobia Khan.
This is Talk 100.3. Waking you up to the UAE's conversation. Talk Breakfast with Vivek Sanil. and Sobia Khan on Talk 100.3.
Welcome back after the break and continuing with Talk Markets on Talk Breakfast. जो हर final hour जो होता है Talk Breakfast का आपके लिए Century Financial लेकर आते हैं. We call it Talk Markets. और आज Talk Markets में it's Vijay Valecha talking to us. इतने सारे सवाल हैं विवेक कि फिर से यही होगा कि टाइम खत्म हो जाएगा और फिर हम विजय को फिर से इनवाइट करेंगे. उम्मीद करेंगे कि वो फिर हमें ज्वाइन करें. So moving on, अगर आपके पास भी कोई सवाल है 0586861003 and we were talking about off air. विजय से हम बात कर रहे थे कि विजय अब बता दीजिए कि आप पाउंड्स में चार्ज करते हैं, डॉलर्स में चार्ज करते हैं. क्या आपका क्राइटेरिया है कि लोग ये ही सोचकर अक्सर नहीं बढ़ते होंगे कि बहुत अच्छे फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर साउंड करते हैं विजय, लेकिन मे बी डिफिकल्ट टू अप्रोच. तो विजय प्लीज आसान कर दीजिए हमारे सुनने वालों के लिए कि ये क्या, हाउ डज इट गो एट सेंचुरी फाइनेंशियल?
So at Century Financial now, we never ever charge anybody for consultation, research. We always give it for free education, training. So we have on a weekly basis. We try to educate people on everything related to finance.
Okay.
And that's absolutely for free. You're only paying for the transactions that you're doing. Usme bhi we recommend all clients ke do the least amount of transactions because sometimes people just transact for the sake of transactions. Wo short-term, extreme, high-risk trading is absolutely not required. We always recommend that please, be a little more on the conservative side, especially now that inflation is actually creeping in. When inflation is low, when the markets are really, really easy to understand, then yes, of course, we also promote that we should be aggressive in the market. But aaj ke time pe definitely the conservative approach is the best way to go.
ओके, सो सेंचुरी फाइनेंशियल किसी को आना है वो आ सकते हैं और कंसल्टेंसी चार्जेस नहीं लगेंगे, बस जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट करोगे उस पे फीस होंगे.
Absolutely. So people can just call in or people can just email or visit any of our handles on social media.
क्या आप रिकमेंड करते हैं लोगों को कि मिनिमम हाउ मच दे शुड स्टार्ट विद?
We usually recommend that $30,000 se niche you should never start investing. And the major reason being not because of the amount that you actually invest is because of the diversification you can get. If you invest only in one commodity or one instrument, right, you're always at a much bigger risk. तो वो कम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
इसीलिए बोलते हैं डाइवर्स योर पोर्टफोलियो.
Always diversify your portfolio. मतलब whether it's real estate or whether it's commodities or whether it's equities, having all your eggs in one basket is always very risky.
एंड लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टिंग है. ये दो चीज मैं सीख ही गया हूँ.
So long term investing का I'm not that much of a promoter. I feel कि long term investing के साथ साथ you have to have a portfolio of short term investing.
अच्छा, वो भी है.
The idea being कि it should be a 20-80 ratio. 20% should be a short term investment portfolio and 80% should be a long term portfolio. But missing out on either opportunity is not sensible.
Okay, now stocks की बात करते हैं. Very very excited. I read somewhere, पता नहीं rumor है कि क्या है, but Netflix India is coming up BSE पे, NSE पे.
Absolutely. So Netflix India Netflix has the highest subscriber base. Netflix का highest subscriber base is India. And they're thinking of actually releasing IPO only for India and completely creating shows only for India.
अच्छा, इतना मतलब region specific हो रहा है.
हाँ, absolutely region specific हो रहा है. Netflix I think will grow that way in every major country.
Okay.
And especially given that no movies are coming out even now, which basically shows that Netflix still has the complete hold and this might be the way we actually see movies all our lives.
Okay. And what excitement do you see in the market अगर Netflix आता है, because it's a very popular brand.
Absolutely. We have seen stars like Rajkumar Rao become absolutely to the skies from Netflix.
Yes. And Pankaj Tripathi as well.
Pankaj
इतने web
Tripathi.
series उनके आए हैं.
Absolutely. We have seen के आमिर खान ने मूवी नहीं निकाली है 3 साल से. And Pankaj Tripathi is being touted as the next Amir Khan in terms of his acting skills.
Yes.
I think लेकिन आमिर खान ने एक न्यूज़ निकाल दी है, वो मूवी से भी बड़ी है, but this is not the time to talk about it. विजय, मैं हमेशा ये अक्सर जहन में सवाल आता है कि the right place is where it's जो गढ़ होता है, यानी सेंचुरी फाइनेंशियल में लोग आपको अप्रोच करते हैं, they are coming to you. So if I may say so, what is the mood of the Century Financial dressing room? लोगों की क्या क्वेरीज हैं इस वक्त, क्या इंटरेस्ट चल रहा है जो वो दुनिया में सिचुएशन देख रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ पैंडेमिक, इन्फ्लेशन ऐसे लग रहा है कि सर पर है. आपने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले रिसेशन जैसी बात भी की. सो व्हाट इज द मूड एट सेंचुरी फाइनेंशियल? आपके ड्रेसिंग रूम का मूड क्या है?
The mood at Century Financial is always good. we actually just recently won the best place to work for millennials.
Oh, beautiful. Congratulations.
Yeah, but then it comes always with some dark things, which is the most important thing. is कि we see a lot of shoulders drooping because कोई छुट्टी पे नहीं गया है.
हाँ.
जो छुट्टी पे जा रहे हैं, staycations पे जा रहे हैं, they're like it's still hot, मतलब वो मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
But
तो वो
yes,
बोनस का बराबर फायदा नहीं उठा पा.
Absolutely.
बोनस मिला, ये अच्छी बात है ना विवेक.
Again, I mean, you need that break. We understand, burnout होना, that's another actually topic as well. Mental health को लेके players को ही देख लो. Bio bubble से bio bubble.
Absolutely, and especially now with the whole idea of Eid vacations coming in, and everybody usually plans for कि कहाँ जाना है, and this time people can't go back home because they are very very worried कि if I go back, it's easy. आने का तो बहुत ही risk है तो.
Yeah. अच्छा, coming to stocks, Netflix की बात की हमने. मैं सोच रहा हूँ अगर BCCI आ जाए तो यार Sensex पे.
Oh, if BCCI comes into the NSE or BSE, मतलब it will be a blockbuster. It will be as big as Coal India, or probably even like as big as Reliance.
And how do you get a share of that?
So, of course, there are many ways to get shares. One is applying for a primary listing, but in a place like India, and if it's a stock like Netflix or BCCI, allocation मिलना तो next to impossible है.
Okay.
So, getting in on the secondary market is the easiest source. Or in today's world, actually, you can get into pre-IPOs.
Okay.
So, pre-IPOs is कि IPO निकलने के पहले you invest in the company. This was actually a very, very popular investment tool, but it was not there for the masses.
अच्छा.
It was only there for the HNIs, which has now recently opened up that everybody can actually invest in
Which is
pre-IPOs.
Good ना यार, मतलब equality मिल रही है सबको.
Absolutely. So that is the whole idea of the financial markets, that everything which was there only like in hedge funds, when it comes to real estate investing, which was there for only real HNIs, is now come down that everybody can invest in it because of the new means and new methods of actual financing.
बराबर, because why the rich should always get richer.
That is the whole
Everyone
idea.
should get an opportunity to become richer.
Absolutely. So a lot of companies are working on that. In UAE, of course, Century Financial is working on that.
Great.
Robinhood in the US works on that.
But Jeff Bezos is planning to go in space and work on that.
Absolutely.
और petition file हो रहा है कि वो वापस नहीं आने चाहिए.
रिचर्ड ब्रांसन उनसे भी पहले जाने की सोच रहे हैं.
हाँ.
लेकिन हम जाएंगे सवाल की तरफ. वन ऑफ आवर लिसनर्स रीचिंग अस, और क्रिप्टो का तो आपको पता है कि सवाल होना ही चाहिए. इनका बड़ा सीधा साधा
क्रिप्टो से पहले क्या भेजा उन्होंने? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सुबह खान, योर वॉइस इज सो अलूरिंग.
एल्यूरिंग. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. आपने अपना नाम नहीं बताया.
नहीं, नाम है, प्रोफाइल पे जाइए, उनका फोटो भी दिख जाएगा.
अच्छा, फोटो भी दिख जाएगा.
हाँ,
छोड़ेंगे नहीं आपने?
नहीं, नाम तो जानना ही है. नाम नमस्ते कर दिया. नमस्ते नाम है इनका.
वो जानते थे, आप चेक करेंगे. ओके, इनका सवाल है on crypto trading, and he says that since market breakdown happened lately, it has not come back as it was before. So the usual we have discussed it, but yeah.
क्रिप्टो ट्रेडिंग को लेके.
So cryptos mein now we have seen that it's usually a 2-year cycle. When we see a bear markets in the cryptos, right, it actually takes 2 years for the markets to make a new high. So the fact that we have actually broken those levels, it does look like we might see consolidation, and consolidation might not come at 35,000 Bitcoin also.
अच्छा.
It might go lower to even 20,000, might go lower to even 15,000.
Oh.
But then, of course, the next bull cycle, which will be seen probably 2 years from now, so around 2022 के आसपास, 2023 के end, 2022 end, 2020 starting में, is when we can actually see the prices climb back and maybe even make new highs, even 150,000 and 200,000 on the Bitcoin.
Wow. So मैं भी देख रहा था कि चाइना ने तो बहुत सॉलिड क्रैकडाउन किया है बिटकॉइन पे. Minings is, but still mining has become easier. वो कह रहे हैं that mining has become easier to solve these puzzles, and ये थोड़ी चीजें which I was wondering के कैसे हो रहा है ये, और how is it के still, because चलो Canada and UK इन्होंने restrictions लगाए on Binance, and still the value didn't go down, and China ने crackdown किया, still mining has become easier.
So absolutely,
nothing can break it, I guess.
One thing is that yes, it is very big. It's become very popular and it's become quite big. At the same time, what happens is Bitcoin was created 13 years back. 13 years back, jo tha, there was a lot of difficult computations at that time. Given that 13 years made, the supercomputers have become much more popular. The computation skills have become much more easier, and that's why it actually makes it very easy to mine a Bitcoin now as compared to before, and it'll get easier and easier as the computers get more and more advanced.
Okay.
So that's why there will be new and new cryptocurrencies which will try to bridge that
Overtake,
gap. Yeah, so something like
yes.
Bitcoin Cash is a 8-node currency rather than a 4-node, which Bitcoin was, and in essential should have the same value as Bitcoin, which in the future we will see after the mining is completed. So that's the whole idea why new currencies are coming out.
हाँ, in digital currency, I think China is really moving forward with that as well.
एंड वी आर ऑल्सो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड बट फॉर ट्रैफिक अपडेट, और उसके बाद हम न्यूज़ के लिए भी ब्रेक इन करेंगे. फिर से वापसी होगी विद विजय वलेचा फ्रॉम सेंचुरी फाइनेंशियल, जो आपके लिए ये आवर लेकर आते हैं ऑन टॉक ब्रेकफास्ट विद विवेक सनिल एंड सोबिया खान.
Talk 100.3 Traffic.
सो ट्रैफिक आपको अबू धाबी में मुस्तफा पे मिलेगा एज यूजुअल, और कहीं पे अनयूजुअल ट्रैफिक नजर आता है देन डू लेट अस नो. आप हमें व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं 0586861003. आपको हल्का सा ट्रैफिक वैसे मिलने वाला है ऑन हमदान बिन मोहम्मद स्ट्रीट जब आप अल जहिया की तरफ जा रहे हो. ऑल्सो आपको दुबई में कहाँ ट्रैफिक मिलेगा? शेख मोहम्मद बिन जायद रोड मिर्दिफ तक, इतिहाद रोड एज यूजुअल अलमुल्ला प्लाजा, एंड देन आप रिबात से लेते हो फेस्टिवल सिटी का एग्जिट, वो ब्रिज पे आपको हल्का सा ट्रैफिक मिलेगा. बाकी सब जगह इट इज स्मूथ. 0586861003 ये हमारा व्हाट्सएप नंबर. यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस फॉर विजय रिगार्डिंग फाइनेंस, रिगार्डिंग ट्रेडिंग, रिगार्डिंग क्रिप्टो करेंसी, रिगार्डिंग इन्वेस्टिंग, सेविंग्स, ये सब आप पूछ सकते हैं 0586861003.
BBC Minute with Andrew and Tom. Officials in the Philippines have just given another update on their investigation into why a military plane crashed in the south of the country on Sunday, killing 50 people.
They said the aircraft was in good condition, had followed specified operating protocols, and that there was no sign of any attack on it.
Next, this is pretty shocking. Gunmen in Nigeria have raided a hospital in the northern city of Zaria, abducting babies, nurses and security guards. The exact number of those taken isn't yet clear.
In Japan, officials now say they believe more than 100 people may be missing after a huge landslide swept through the city of Atami on Saturday.
It's a significant day for online retail giant Amazon as Jeff Bezos stands down as chief executive.
Yeah, he's switching his focus to his space exploration firm and other projects. As Amazon's founder, though, he will still be involved in the company.
The UAE's conversation starts here. Talk Breakfast with Vivek Sunil and Sobia Khan on Talk 100.3.
Welcome back after the break, continuing with Talk Breakfast. और इस वक्त टॉक मार्केट्स चल रहा है. इट्स पावर्ड बाय सेंचुरी फाइनेंशियल. वेल, विजय वलेचा ने खुशखबरी दी सेंचुरी फाइनेंशियल. हमने सोचा हम भी उन्हें खुशखबरी दें कि व्हेन इट कम्स टू टॉक 100.3 ब्रांड न्यू स्टेशन, इट इज़ अ डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब हम लोगों को इन्फॉर्म करते हैं. वो भी बड़ा मुस्कुराते हैं, खुश होते हैं दैट वी आर द ऑफिशियल बॉल बाय बॉल ब्रॉडकास्टर्स ऑफ T20 वर्ल्ड कप जो यहाँ यूएई में आ रहा है.
यस, आपका स्माइल देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सोबिया. वेरी नाइस.
Yes, it is indeed. And
So excited.
UAE में loads of sports. IPL भी है. IPL के फौरन बाद T20 and वो भी बॉल बाय बॉल हम कवर करेंगे. और
Yes.
विवेक इस बात पे बहुत एक्साइटेड हो
क्योंकि
जाते हैं.
BCCI का शेयर अगर आता है we're talking about finance, trying to link that, and
Yes, why
Vijay
not?
with us in the studio. So Jeff Bezos is stepping down as the chief of Amazon और पूरा concentration उनका होगा. Do you expect some halchal happening in the market?
No, that was a move which was expected from Jeff, and that was something which Amazon has been planning for a very long time. It's not that he's leaving Amazon, just like how Bill Gates has not left Microsoft, although he has not been the CEO since the last 15-18 years.
Correct.
So this is something which succession planning at their level तो मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा required है.
नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ सेंटिमेंट, बिकॉज ये जा रहे स्पेस और ये खतरे से खाली नहीं है. ये चीज जो भी ये अंडरटेक कर
मतलब
रहे हैं,
शेयर प्राइस पे कुछ उनका
इफेक्ट हो सकता है.
Not really, not
No,
really.
not
Oh,
at
okay.
all.
Not at all.
No contingency plans, no nothing.
Contingency plans, so I'm sure they'll have 100 for him.
No, for the market, for people who have invested on Amazon and
For the markets, I think contingency plans can be just buy put options for Amazon if something happens, which I hope not doesn't. But
yeah, I mean, I'm just thinking
but-
thoda allowed.
But yes, of course, risk management is the most important thing, and thinking risk is definitely the first step towards good investment. So buying put options right now, just to keep yourself safe is not a bad idea.
We've been getting messages as well, yeah.
Yes, we are getting messages, and ये हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं दिनेश शिवलानी. And okay, I
Hi,
need to
Vijay. Okay, I need to start crypto. Can you guide me?
short and
Dinesh
sweet.
is ordering you.
Absolutely, Dinesh. We can always help you. You could just call Century Financial anytime. मतलब we are always there to help, and cryptos में we don't really encourage a very heavy investment, but definitely diversification के लिए cryptos also not a bad space.
So when you have Bitcoin at $30,000, अब मुझे Bitcoin खरीदना है तो मैं $30,000 तो नहीं डाल सकता. Then is there any other option?
Absolutely, you don't really need to actually buy one full Bitcoin also. You can buy a 0.01 Bitcoin also.
Exactly. This is what I wanted to know. कैसे?
You can invest even $500 worth of
कैसे?
Bitcoin. It's the same platform. It's not difficult.
Oh, brilliant.
You can, instead of putting in the quantity that you want to buy, you can just put in the amount that you want to buy. You can buy fractions of a Bitcoin, even if the fraction is 0.0182. You can buy that.
Provided the seller is selling or
नहीं
the
sellers तो हमेशा
coins
रहते हैं.
हमेशा होंगे.
हमेशा रहते हैं.
Okay.
ये वही वाली बात हो गई ना, रेफल ड्रॉ में कभी 5 लोग भी मिलके खरीद लेते हैं, कभी 10 लोग भी, तो ये छोटे छोटे पीसेस भी आप बिटकॉइन के ले सकते हैं.
Absolutely.
Really
In fact, I
nice.
just read yesterday somebody 10 Indians won the 20 million
20
lottery.
million, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Amazing.
Yeah. सोमराजन नाम था उनका. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी भी रही उनकी. Are you into buying raffle tickets?
We actually started it around 2 years back in our office.
WhatsApp ग्रुप बनाया आपने?
हाँ, WhatsApp ग्रुप बनाया
Big
हमने.
ticket group?
Big ticket ग्रुप बनाया. Big ticket and Dubai Duty Free दोनों बनाया.
Okay.
And we were so confident कि हम तो पहली बार में जीत जाएंगे.
अच्छा पहले में.
हाँ, तो after the 1 month that we put in money, second month में किसी ने डाला ही नहीं.
Because there were no returns.
Not just that. Actually, what happens is you need a driver for anything. There has to be one person who actually says कि मैं करूँगा पूरा सब management.
अच्छा.
We realize कि accounts management के कौन पैसे लेगा हर एक से 100
Administrational
dirhams. हाँ.
Imagine if your accounting guy would have done it. वो आपके सैलरी से निकाल रहा है हर महीने थोड़ा-थोड़ा.
वो होता तो फिर बहुत easily हो जाता.
But I wanted to ask you, when you investing in, let's say, a lottery ticket, it's kind of an investment क्योंकि आपको पता है कि इसमें return नहीं होने वाला है.
Absolutely.
How do you go about that and encouraging people to for example 1,000 का टिकट अगर आप ले रहे हो as an individual, rather you put 1,000 over there and can we make comparisons that way?
You can definitely make comparisons because both of them, whether it's markets or whether it's a lottery, you're actually working on probability on both. So the idea is, yes, you will win the lottery if you actually put in 1,000 dirhams, but you have to put it 20 million times, which is practically impossible because you're not going to live for 20 million months.
Correct.
Whereas the markets, you might get returns on a monthly and on a quarterly basis.
So let's say 20 million अगर dirham कमाने हैं, 20 million dirhams. How would we go about doing that structure-wise?
Well, structure-wise, the idea is equities usually give a return of around 12 to 13% and on an annual basis.
Okay.
At the same time, you have a lot of different components which give 8 to 9% yield.
Okay.
If you keep a proper diversified portfolio, you should be looking at around 8% returns on your capital. So if you want to make 20 million, just have to back calculate how much you have to put on a monthly basis
Correct.
to actually reach there, which is not a difficult or impossible goal.
Maybe 20-30 years you can figure that out.
Absolutely. 20-30 years been as such. The earlier you start, always it's better. But the minute you think I'm too late into the markets is when you're absolutely wrong.
Then you have lost it.
It's never too late.
Because when we say it's whenever we say that start early, it means start the earliest possible for you.
Correct.
So if you get the education today, start today.
Correct. And that's how it starts. I think बचपन से ही to teach your kids as well. वहाँ से ही शुरू होता है. And we are going to have a business update as
That's
well.
right. Business update का time भी हो रहा है. और अगर हम technology की तरफ आएं, विजय, Apple $140 US a share up, that is 1.96%, and Google is up 2.5%. So leading the stock market to records high. You think still an attractive buy, or it will get into that buy range?
Well, technology companies, when we look at the FANGs, when we look at Facebook, when we look at Apple, when we look at Netflix or Google or Amazon, and for that matter, whatever the price is, it's still quite low. Because these companies are here to stay. These companies are here to dominate the space for the next 20 years. So definitely we will see that, any price is good to get in as long as your investment horizon is long-term enough. If your investment horizon is short-term, then these prices are quite high to get in.
Great. I think we'll move on to our business update. लेकिन उसके पहले अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल है तो आप हमें WhatsApp कीजिए 0586861003. I hope you're enjoying yourself, Vijay.
Oh, most definitely.
Happy to hear that.
Talk 100.3 Business.
टॉक 100.3 आप सुन रहे हैं. टॉक मार्केट्स और बिजनेस की हम बात करते हैं. हर घंटे आपको बिजनेस न्यूज हम देते हैं. सो DR डेवलपमेंट ने लॉन्च किया 1 बिलियन दिरहम लग्जरी स्काईस्क्रेपर इन बिजनेस बे, जो ऑफर करेगा स्मार्ट एंड हाई एंड अर्बन लाइफस्टाइल एम्बॉडीड बाय रॉयल्टी एंड डिस्टिंक्शन. 70 फ्लोर्स कि ये प्रीमियम रेजिडेंशियल बिल्डिंग विल फीचर स्मार्ट होम enabled अपार्टमेंट्स, रिक्रिएशनल और वेलनेस अमेनिटीज भी होंगे जैसे ओलंपिक साइज इंफिनिटी पूल, प्राइवेट कबानास, जकूजी, स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट फैमिली जिम, योगा पवेलियन और आउटडोर विंटर सिनेमा. सो इन्वेस्टर्स कैन परचेज विद 10% अपफ्रंट पेमेंट और 7 साल का इंस्टॉलमेंट प्लान. और इस एक्सक्लूसिव लॉन्च ऑफर में इन्वेस्टर्स को 3 साल का सर्विस चार्ज वेवर भी मिलेगा और फुल DLD वेवर भी है. इसके अलावा कमर्शियल कंप्लायंस एंड कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन सेक्टर ऑफ दुबई इकोनॉमी ने रिकॉर्ड किया a compliance rate of 97.7% with COVID-19 precautionary guidelines among commercial establishments so far in 2021. So इस दौरान 43 commercial establishments were closed, 1,678 were fined and 282 were issued warnings for non-compliance with COVID-19 guidelines. ये सारे establishments में मास्क पहनना, फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग और परमिटेड वर्किंग आवर्स इन रेस्टोरेंट जैसे रेगुलेशंस पे नापा गया. दुबई इकोनॉमी ने एस्टैब्लिशमेंट्स को स्ट्रिक्टली कहा है टू फॉलो प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स. पब्लिक भी रिपोर्ट कर सकती है एनी वायलेशंस और नॉन कंप्लायंस ईदर ऑन द दुबई कंज्यूमर ऐप जो एप्पल, गूगल और वावे स्टोर्स में आपको मिल जाएगा. नंबर है 600-54-5555 या consumerrights.ae पे आप लॉग ऑन कर सकते हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू टॉक मार्केट्स, और ये जो मैं बता रहा था अबाउट प्रॉपर्टी और रॉयल्टी और ये सारी चीजें इन्वेस्टर्स को टेम्प्ट तो करते हैं, बट हाउ अबाउट रिटर्न्स? इज दैट समथिंग एन इन्वेस्टर हमेशा लुक्स ऑन टू इट, विजय?
So most important is returns. Ideally, a person should not be looking at कि मैं कौन से इन्वेस्टमेंट डाल रहा हूँ. Important is कि returns क्या मिल रहे हैं.
जैसे अभी DLD वेवर है और इंस्टॉलमेंट प्लान्स है और ऐसे सब विच बहुत रेयरली मिलता है.
बहुत रेयरली मिलता है, and these actually make sure that your returns go much higher. Especially if you're actually thinking of real estate as an investment जहाँ पे you're going to rent it out and not stay yourself.
Correct. जैसे अभी बिजनेस बे it's a very I think prominent area जहाँ पे returns are pretty good as well. So you would recommend people के property investment at this time?
Definitely, property investment is still very good in Dubai, and a rental yield of 5.5% is what we get over here, which is more than most developed countries in the world.
So it covers your installment also.
It covers your installment
EMI.
also, and still you make a profit on it. But again, the idea is कि you have to always analyze कि if you buy too many properties and rent पे नहीं गई, तो फिर what are you going to do? What is the backup plan for that? Because EMI फिर भी भरना ही पड़ेगा.
Correct. So the risk factor is also a lot, yeah.
Absolutely. That's why we believe that fractionalization of real estate and buying into multiple real estate and diversifying your portfolio in that sense is always a better way to do it. It also saves you time and effort, but more importantly, it maximizes your returns as well.
Great. I think, for beginners as well, you've mentioned this a lot of times. For beginners, जिनके पास ज़्यादा नहीं है, let's say 5,000 dirhams is something I want to start with. Every month, 5,000 dirhams is where I'll start with. And what is the best possible way to go forward with it?
The idea is, first of all, create a financial portfolio. And the idea is financial portfolio is not the same for everyone. It's different for each person. Now, when I say that people should go for returns, इसमें ये भी होता है कि there's a lot of scam out there where people say कि returns will be 10% a month, 5% a month. The idea is returns of 5% or 10% a month is just not possible. So usually if somebody is making you those returns and especially guaranteeing those returns,
तो कभी नहीं जाना चाहिए.
मतलब run away from there as fast as possible.
और साल के एंड में जब आप कहते हैं कि यार मैं 1 लाख रुपए भेजूंगा टू इंडिया एवरी मंथ और 5,000 dirhams, let's say 1 लाख रुपए भेजूंगा, और my dad is putting it in, let's say, FDs, and whatever money he's getting, and for example I lose my job and I don't have, so I take a loan and I send it back again.
Correct.
To make that, again you said कि वो इंटरेस्ट रेट देखना चाहिए कितना रिटर्न मिल रहा है, नहीं मिल रहा है, बट एक्सचेंज रेट भी बहुत अच्छा है. सो
एक्सचेंज रेट तो अच्छा ही है, बट एक्सचेंज रेट हैज बीन ऑलवेज बीन गुड बिकॉज when we were in UAE 15 years back, it was used to be 12 dirhams, 12 rupees a dirham. उस टाइम भी अच्छा ही लग रहा था.
हाँ, 2009 में जब मैं था यहाँ पे, it was 11-12 rupees.
Exactly, उस टाइम भी अच्छा ही लग रहा था कि 11-12 rupees तो बहुत अच्छा है. आज 20 अच्छा लग रहा है, and 10 years now 30 भी अच्छा लगेगा.
Oh, hope not, Vijay. But
नहीं,
yes,
of course,
anything
dollar
possible, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, dollar strong होते जाएगा, dollar
strong होते जाएगा, and most importantly, a country like India will have to devalue the currency so that they can actually compete with China, Vietnam, when it comes to manufacturing and exports.
Correct. We got a question from Ankit, if I'm not wrong. कहते हैं कि good morning, how to buy crypto from UAE and which platform to do this, I think Century Financial is the way to go forward.
Yes, definitely. Century Financial is the best way forward.
So centuryfinancial.com पे आप log on कीजिए या .ae if I'm not wrong.
Centuryfinancial.ae.
Century
Or Century.ae also, whichever and you're convenient with.
Okay.
सेंचुरी फाइनेंशियल अच्छा है क्योंकि वही हम नाम जो है इस वक्त अपने सुनने वालों को बताते हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो रीच अस बाय कॉलिंग इन फैक्ट ऑन व्हाट्सएपिंग अस 0586861003. दैट्स 0586861003. एंड वी आर ऑल्सो heading towards our BBC Sports update. So we do that and catch you at the other side of it. Any questions? This is the number that you can reach us if it's safe to do so. Keep listening. Talk Breakfast on Talk 100.3.
Talk Markets with Century Financial. Investment, consultancy, research. Talk 100.3. Talk 100.3. Traffic.
सो ट्रैफिक आपको एज यूजुअल मुसफ़ा पे तो मिलेगा ही, और कहीं पे ट्रैफिक नज़र आता है यू कैन ऑलवेज शेयर इट विद अस. वैसे मैं भी देख रहा हूँ कहाँ पे है ट्रैफिक. अबू धाबी में आपको कॉर्निश की तरफ मिल सकता है हल्का सा ट्रैफिक जब आप जा रहे हो ऑन शेख राशिद बिन सईद स्ट्रीट से. ऑल्सो आपको मिलेगा ट्रैफिक हल्का सा जब आप हो ज़ायद द फर्स्ट स्ट्रीट पे, और बोथ द साइड्स आपको मिल सकता है ट्रैफिक. अदर देन दिस मुसफ़ा एरिया तो है ही. ऑल्सो आपको हल्का सा ट्रैफिक मिल सकता है ऑन किंग अब्दुल्ला बिन अब्दुल अजीज अल सऊद स्ट्रीट से. आप कॉर्निश की तरफ जा रहे हो तो आपको मिल सकता है ट्रैफिक. दुबई में एज यूजुअल शेख मोहम्मद.
Welcome back after the break. Continuing with Talk Breakfast, and this is Stock Markets जो आपके लिए लेकर आते हैं Century Financials. और आज हमें अच्छी खबर बताई विजय वलेचा ने. Century Financial को अवार्ड मिला है being innovative when it comes to fintech. So congratulations. I hope it's never too late.
Thank you so much. Yes, actually, we are quite an old organization, 31 years old, and we were the first in the country to come with online trading. लेकिन तब से we have done really nothing in technology, and that's why we realized कि most of upper management is all engineers, all of us. So we thought fintech is a space we should get into. So recently now we have launched a lot of fintech companies. Like I told you about the real estate company where it comes to fractionalization of real estate, where you can actually buy real estate worth as low as 5,000 dirhams, and you can buy into multiple different real estate platforms. At the same time, we have started another thing which is called Furus, which is mainly a platform where you can actually see your investments, or you can actually have a transaction history of all your investments.
अच्छा.
So you can have a simulation of if I invest over here, what will my future look like? If I invest over here, what will my future look like? So you can actually see a simulated growth of your future if you invest in different asset classes.
Brilliant.
And also most important कि उसमें risk भी दिखता है कि if I will get towards this future, what risk am I taking in this current present also?
And I think it keeps changing as well as in when
always it keeps changing as per the markets keep changing. So the idea is that you don't just make it so friendly for everybody to understand, and most importantly that it's useful for everybody to understand.
And what is the accuracy factor there when जब आप risk की बात करते हैं? What percentage is more or less?
Well, we look for usually a 3 sigma events, so we look at a 99% accuracy rate. 1% will always go wrong, but 100% so we can never reach. But that's what we're looking for right now.
Brilliant, yeah. And I think this is the reason you're hiring more and more millennials and Gen X in your company.
Currently, the Gen Zs, because
Gen Z.
millennials are like me, are quite outdated nowadays.
Oh, come on, Vijay, you can't say that. The three here sitting with you together. Okay, so yes.
You're 90 born? I didn't know.
90 born?
No, millennials is 81 onwards.
Vivek.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. ये जो नंबर है वो गलत हो गया मेरा.
कोई बात नहीं, ये वक्त ही गलत होने का है क्योंकि शो भी खत्म हो रहा है.
हाँ, इसीलिए दिमाग नहीं चल रहा. रीजन आ गया.
Talk Markets for some more time. आपको याद दिला दें कि every last hour of Talk Breakfast is brought to you by Talk Markets by Century Financials. And Vijay Valecha हमारे साथ Monday and Wednesday होते हैं. So lovely Monday morning here. Few minutes left. कोई अगर सवाल आप पूछना चाहते हो, नहीं भी पूछना चाहते, हमारी कोशिश होती है कि जो इस वक्त ट्रेंडिंग हेडलाइंस हैं बिजनेस वर्ल्ड को लेकर, इन्वेस्टमेंट वर्ल्ड को लेकर, वो हम विजय से पूछें. एंड अदरवाइज भी जैसे हमेशा विजय our side, our cultures में हमेशा बचत बचत बचत, you know, that's more of a common slogan. It was never investment invest करो. But now I think we should switch it from budget to investment and thinking on those lines, those paths.
Absolutely, but again, the whole idea of saving is not just that you're just saving and you're keeping in a fixed deposit. Even a FD is actually an investment only. You're investing in the bank that you're putting in. You have the risk that bank can actually face bankruptcy. So a risk you're taking any which ways.
Correct.
The idea is, of course, it's a much safer investment than equity space or commodity space. The idea is you should have a mix of both. You should have those kind of savings as well. You should have even gold savings, where people used to believe traditionally that gold is a saving. Gold is traditionally an investment. Because along with inflation, gold actually does grow. So when we look at it, it's what Indians have done for centuries, which has been saving, is actually investment only.
Barabar.
But the most important thing is just keeping money in the bank with no returns on it. That is what we should avoid completely.
That's foolish, I guess.
That's not the most sensible thing. So that's what should be avoided completely. Okay, even if you go in a very, very low yield, very, very safe investment like US treasuries, but never keep money in the bank because it yields nothing.
बराबर. और ये global tax को लेके I was thinking, ये जो G7 summit भी हुआ और Google या multinational companies पे tax rate जो है वो बढ़ने वाले हैं. What kind of impact will it have for everyone?
So this will have a great impact on the markets because all the major companies, especially in the States, Apple, Facebook, Google, they all have operations outside the US. And majorly because they want to evade taxes. A lot of companies didn't pay actually any taxes. If I'm not wrong, Jeff Bezos paid no taxes last year. So that just shows that how easy it is to evade. The global taxation rule will actually make sure that taxes do come in the country, but that also ensures that profitability for those companies goes down. So definitely it impacts the markets. That is a negative news. If it actually does pass through, the bill does pass through the Senate, it will definitely impact the markets.
Great, I think
That's a wrap up. ये बताइए विजय कि इसके बाद आप Century Financials के headquarters जाएंगे या फिर lunch के लिए जाएंगे? What is your plan for the day?
I'll definitely head back to office. We have a quarterly staff meeting also today.
Okay. So we'll get more updates on that. Not the meeting, but other things that come out of the meeting, and they can be helpful to people who want to invest, who want to have more knowledge about what they can look for in the near future, and that is all courtesy Century Financials. And
आप लॉग ऑन कर सकते हैं Century Financial और जान सकते हैं आपको जो भी जानना है. centuryfinancial.com पे जा सकते हैं, centuryfinancial.ae पे जा सकते हैं और जो भी आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए आपको मिल जाएगा. centuryfinancial.ae.
Century.ae is the easiest because
Century
फाइनेंशियल की स्पेलिंग बहुत लोग रॉन्ग कर लेते हैं.
और जल्दी में अक्सर
Century.ae.
गलती हो ही जाती है. लोग वैसे भी चाहते हैं कि छोटे से छोटा नाम हो और वो आजकल मिलता नहीं. बस so that's a good one.
Century.ae. It's so simple.
Yes,
याद
और
रखिए.
इससे इतना सिंपल तो नहीं, लेकिन इससे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा मुश्किल. दैट इज टॉक 100.3 UAE. दैट्स आवर इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल. अब वहां पर हम हमेशा होते हैं किसी भी वक्त, लेकिन ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए हम आपका इंतजार करते हैं 7 to 11 AM. अब आएगा 4 PM. एंड आई थिंक इंटरेस्टिंगली आज जो हमें व्हाट्सएप किया अनजान ने, उसमें उन्होंने लिखा था 4 to 5 PM, देन 4 to 5 PM, and then 4 to 5 PM. So what's happening 4 to 5 PM?
4 to 5 PM आपको फ्री मिलने वाला है. आपके साथ रमीज राजा आने वाले हैं और ही इज गोइंग टू आंसर ऑल योर क्वेश्चंस एज वेल. क्रिकेट के बारे में आपको जो भी जानना है वो सब आपको पता चलेगा. बट विजय कब आएंगे वापस, ये जानना चाहते हैं हम.
I'll be back on Wednesday morning.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है. सब प्लान्ड है. Everything is planned.
Yes. 10 to 11, Vijay is going to be here. But Talk Markets every single day, Sunday to Thursday on Talk Breakfast and Talk 100.3 पर आपसे इजाजत लेने का वक्त आ गया. आज भी बड़ी स्टोरीज हम आपको कांस ले जाना चाहते थे. ये कल से शुरू हो रहा है, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं. जब कल आएंगे तो फिर इसी को आगे बढ़ाएंगे. हमारे साथ रहने का एंड फिर से इस इरादे से के साथ you're going to join us tomorrow. Thank you so much and have yourself a fantastic day. Keep it locked to Talk 100.3 on Talk Breakfast. So my team, that is Pranav Prasanna, Lachlan Kitchen and my lovely co-host Vivek Sunil, thanking them. Apna khayal rakhiye aas-paas sabka. And from Sobia Khan, Allah Nikiban.
This is Talk 100.3, the home of the UAE's news, sport and conversation. Powered by the Channel 2 Group Corporation and the Fun Asia Network.